Chapter 4. More on Excel. Sorting the data. Sorting refers to arranging data in the ascending and descending order. Excel allows you to sort data in row based on text, numbers or dates. The ascending order means arrange the data text data from A to Z or numeric data from 0 to 9, whereas descending order means arrange the data text data from Z to A or numeric data from 9 to 0. To sort the data, follow the given steps. 1. Select the range of cells. 2. Click on the Data tab. 3. Select the Sort command. 4. Choose the sorting options as you want. 5. Select the order of sorting and click on the OK button. Sorting with multiple columns. Excel also allows you to sort data by more than one column. To sort by more than one column, follow the given steps. 6. Click on the Add Level button. 7. Specify the column name and select desired options. 8. Click on the OK button. Filtering the data. Filtering refers to the hide unwanted unimportant data and show important data only. Before apply filter to the data, make sure each column's top row should have a heading that describe the column contents like car name, price and color. To apply filter, follow the given steps. 1. Select the data to apply filter. 2. Click on the Data tab. 3. Select the Filter command. 4. Click on the filter arrows that appears next to each column heading. 5. Tick the desired condition to filter the data. You may also apply a filter by entering the value you want to use to filter the data in the search box. Removing filter. Excel also allows you to remove filter from the selected data. To remove filter, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Data tab. 2. Select the Filter command. Custom filtering. Excel allows you to apply custom filters to the data. A custom filter refers to displaying data that satisfies conditions in more than one column. To apply custom filter, follow the given steps. 1. Select the data to apply filter. 2. Click on the Data tab. 3. Select the Filter command. 4. Click on the filter arrow that appears next to each column heading. 5. Click on the number filter option. 6. Select the custom filter option. 7. Select the desired option as per criteria. 8. Click on the OK button. Data validation. Data validation refers to set some rules that restrict the type of data or values that can be entered into a cell. This feature is used to confirm what data can be entered in a cell. It checks for the validity of the data. To apply data validation, follow the given steps. 1. Select the range of cells. 2. Click on the Data tab. 3. Click on the Data Validation drop-down arrow. 4. Select the Data Validation command. 5. Click on the Setting tab. 6. Select and fill the desired values. 7. Click on the OK button. In summary, sorting refers to arranging data in the ascending and descending order. Filtering refers to the hiding unwanted unimportant data and show important data only. A custom filter refers to displaying data that satisfies conditions in more than one column. Data validation refers to set some rules that restrict the type of data or values that can be entered into a cell.